What's going on, YouTube? It's your big homie Leonard coming back again with another video, man. And today I'm finna tell y'all why I think y'all should sleep on the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. Give y'all a little history on this shoe, man. This shoe first released in 2006, but I remember them in 2012, man. Back then when we had to actually sit and camp out for shoes, man. That's when I remember them. I actually had a pair in hand back in the day, man. I remember me leaving them in the store because the quality was just horrible. But we finna get into that later on in this video. As of right now, man, this sneaker is set to release May the 13th for a retail price of $210. But if you want to get them early, man, looking at the aftermarket prices, to buy it out right now, it's going to be roughly around $500, man. So if you want this shoe early, it's going to cost you a little bread, you feel me? But if you want to wait, man, May 13th, you can get your hands on this pair. Now, back in 2012, man, I remember camping out for these, man. Actually had them in hand. I opened the box and seen that the quality was horrible, man. And back then, if the quality was real bad, I really didn't purchase a sneaker, man, because I was young. Money was kind of tight, man. So, you know, I try to make smart investments, man. So I really passed up on that shoe. But this release, quality is A1. Looking at this pair, man, I don't see no brush strokes, no glue stains, no stitching out of place, no nothing, man. Salute to Nike, man, because these things right here are fire, man. Quality, I give it a 10. Now, if you're looking to cop this sneaker, man, make sure you be mindful where you wear this sneaker at, man, because this does attract a lot of lint, dirt, pollen. It attracts a lot of things that you wouldn't want on your sneaker, man. So make sure you be mindful of that, man. Check the weather and make sure you're mindful of where you're going before you wear the shoe. Now, as far as giving you a breakdown of the shoe, there's nothing really to break down. I mean, it's a black and yellow 4. The only thing that's not black and yellow is the Jumpman on the tongue and on the heel tab. Now, as far as the box goes, man, it do not come in your standard Jordan 4 box. It does come in this 4 flight box. Say flight on the box, man. Got yellow Jumpman on it. And the label reads black, white, and toy yellow. Let's go ahead and talk about why y'all came here, man. Why I think y'all should be sleeping on this shoe. It's simply because, man, taking the L on these things, it's going to break your heart. It's going to hurt you, man. I'm telling you. We already know that the Air Jordan 4 hype is crazy right now, man. Dropping 5 colorways like this right here, I can see it now, man. A lot of y'all cussing everybody out, man. A lot of y'all blaming the resellers for buying all the pair. I can see it now, man. This right here, man, gonna leave you in the depression for a couple days, man. I already know it will. And for some odd reason, man, I got a feeling that these gonna stay around the 400, 500 price range, man, on the aftermarket, man. I just got a feeling about that. I don't know why, man, but if it does, you heard it here first, man. I really think that the resellers gonna be taxing on this shoe, man. Now, I am unaware of the stock numbers, man. I don't know if they're gonna flood the market with these or not. I don't know, man, but it's a supply and demand issue, man. If the demand for it is high and the supply is not, you feel me? I'm quite sure, man, a lot of resellers gonna be waxing for this shoe. But yeah, man, that wraps up my video for today, man. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, man, I'm out of here.